So welcome back, everyone. What I want to share with you today is how you can create a beautiful wintry candle display. I'm going to be using a cloche that I bought at Target. They sell the cloche domes that are this particular slimmer size at Target. And I believe this one was either $12.99 or $15.99. And it has a little bit slimmer profile. The bottom is not quite as wide and the top is not quite as large as some of your larger cloches. We're also going to be using one of these glass jars that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and it has a lip here on the bottom of it. That's important. They sell these at the Dollar Tree, and I see these used for all sorts of DIYs. And then you can use some buffalo snow or Epsom salt, whatever you'd like. And I'm just going to use some Epsom salt, some berries that I got from the Dollar Tree, a little stem of those. And then my other wintry, sugary, glistened, battery-operated candle I got at Pier 1. And I shared with you how I used the other one recently in a centerpiece. So, and then you can use, if you want, some ribbon. That's optional. I've used a little bow here. So what you want to do is start off by putting in your buffalo snow or your Epsom salt into your jar. And I really just filled this little glass Pyrex dish and, you know, filled it kind of to the top. And that's, I didn't measure this out. That's pretty much as high as I'm going to fill this. And then you can turn your candle on. This is a battery operated candle from Pier 1, and it does have a timer. So later today I will set the timer so that it comes on at the appropriate time in the evening. And then I'm just gonna nestle my candle down into my snow. And then I've started to trim off some of my berries. You just wanna drop in. You can really use whatever you want, but I'm gonna use some of these really pretty red berries off of this stem. So I do have some wire cutters here. And I want this to just be wintry and elegant and beautiful. And so all I'm gonna do is just start dropping in some of my little berry stems. And again, you can just do this to your liking, whatever you wanna use. If you don't wanna use berries, you can certainly use something else. But we have a sort of red and white theme going on in our home this year for the holidays. So that's what I'm gonna stick with here. Okay, so now that I have my berries inside of my glass jar here, and I have the Epsom salt and my candle and everything inside of the first glass jar, I'm just simply going to put on the top. And the thing I love about this is that the top with this particular cloche fits perfectly on the lip of this glass jar. It rests there, and it looks as if it was made to, you know, be pulled together. So now let's take a look at our finished decor. And there you have it. So simple, so inexpensive to do. And I think anytime that you mix anything wintry and snowy and glistening with a beautiful candle, you've created a beautiful marriage for your winter or holiday decor.